Greeting, Smart Bone here. If you notice, we have a publishing document right here, right? With a flyer right here. We wanted to add a background to it. But how can we really add a background to it? Right? If you notice up here, we have the tab up here. Home tab, the insert tab. Right here, page design, mailing, and all of that. So we want to add the background, so I wanted to press on right here, page design. Now when you press on page design, you go to the far right. You notice, right, it's a page background, notice master page, background, apply image. So you want to click directly on the pointer. But why do you really click on the pointer? Because when you click on the pointer, it gives you more option. Right, if you notice, right, the background. So each one I click on the notice, just take a look around on the background. If you notice, background change, just like that, you notice, just like that. Good. And that's how it look so far. If you notice, we have a neatly stuff right there, publishing document. And so this is how I can add the background right here in publishing document. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.